Hello, today we will guide you through how to write text on MT5 Mobile. In this walkthrough, we'll show you the simple process of adding text on the MT5 Mobile interface. This can be useful when you want to label a chart, leave yourself a note, or mark a price area with a short reminder while you analyze the market. We'll move through the process clearly so it's easy to follow along on your device. To begin, go to XM. Once you're on the platform, make sure you are in the correct area where you can access your trading tools and chart features. If your screen looks slightly different, that's completely normal, since layouts can vary a bit depending on device size or app version. The important thing is to stay focused on the charting and navigation area. Next, click on Market in the left navigation. This section is where you can view available instruments and open the chart environment you want to work with. If needed, take a moment to confirm that you're on the correct symbol or market before continuing. That helps make sure the text you add will appear exactly where you want it. After that, click on Text in the left toolbar. This tool allows you to place written notes directly onto the chart. On mobile, toolbar icons can sometimes be compact, so look carefully for the text option if it isn't immediately obvious. Once you select it, the platform should activate the text placement feature, preparing you to type and position your note. Now enter sample text. This is where you can type the message you want displayed on the chart. Keep your wording short and clear so it remains easy to read without cluttering the screen. For example, you might use a brief label for a setup, a support or resistance reminder, or a note about timing. After entering the text, check how it appears on the chart and make sure it's placed in a spot that doesn't block important candles or indicators. And that's the process for writing text on MT5 Mobile. As a final tip, using simple chart notes can make your analysis more organized and easier to revisit later. If your chart starts to feel crowded, you can always adjust or remove text so your workspace stays clean and readable. Thanks for following along, and that's how to write text on MT5 Mobile.